Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Today we're making spinach pasta, a healthy and fun alternative to regular pasta for your dinner. It's really easy to make and I'm sure you will love it if you try it. Let's begin. So to make our spinach pasta we'll need a bowl of a food processor and with 200 grams plain flour in it, 120 grams of spinach and 80 grams of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to first blitz the flour and spinach together and then we'll add the oil. Now we're adding the oil. Let's see. Yep, that's ready. So in my processor it took 35 seconds. That's it, done. Now we're going to flour the surface and transfer our pasta dough onto that. Looks like matcha. This amount of pasta will give you 3 good portions. We'll just knead it a little bit on the worktop, flour it, it's very easy to work with. Once we're happy with its consistency, we're just gonna let it rest for about just 10-15 minutes. It's getting tougher to knead, which means we need to let it rest. So just roll it into a ball, sprinkle with flour lightly, and leave it for 10-15 minutes, cover it with a bowl. That's it. So it's been 15 minutes and our dough is ready to be rolled out. Flour the surface and your rolling pin, and let's go. Roll it as thinly as you can into a preferably rectangle. I'm trying to, so that will be easier for us to cut into strips. Dusting it with flour all the time so that it's not sticking to anything. Not the rolling pin, not your hands, but it shouldn't anyway. It's now nice and relaxed and actually rolls out very easily. Look at this gorgeous color. Not only spinach is superfood and is so good for you, it also unique in the way that doesn't matter how long it's been treated with heat, it retains its beautiful bright green color. Even when cooked, this pasta will still be very green and beautiful. So just keep moving it around. That will do, nice and thin enough. Now we need the pizza cutter. I find it the easiest to do it that way. And just cut the dough into strips. Oops. Not very even, but it doesn't matter. Really doesn't. And you don't have to cut it into these shapes. You can cut it into any shape and form you like. It's so easy to make. It's much easier to make than classic traditional pasta. And you don't need equipment, you don't need a pasta machine, and they are lovely. So that's that. And before you start rolling out your pasta, put a large pot with water on your stove and bring it to a boil, because this will not take long. I'm going to cut this in 3. I'll make them, yeah, like this. There you go. So this will be our pasta pieces, and my pot is boiling, and we didn't add any salt to the pasta dough. So remember to put a generous amount of salt into your boiling water. And now, because it's fresh pasta, it's only taking about 3 minutes. Don't walk away, just be near it. It will only take 3 minutes for it to cook. Give it a stir. And put your timer on, 3 minutes. As soon as the pasta is ready, we're going to prepare a sauce for it. Butter and garlic sauce. So in a large skillet, melt 30 grams of butter. The butter is melting and the pasta is ready. So I'm just gonna fish it out. Look at it. So that's stunning. And now we're going to quickly squeeze 3 cloves of garlic into the butter. Cook it for a minute to get rid of the raw garlic flavor. And now we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of our pasta water to finish the sauce. 3. That will do. And just cook it for about, I don't know, 30 seconds, and that's enough. And I'm serving my spinach pasta today with baked chicken fillets. Yum. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. Please like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye.